here we are again, 3 men in a truck trying to work on the same thing that we've been going at for quite some time now.
Hey, but the dash cover went great. Yes.
You know, seeing as I'm a little bit uncomfortable stuck here in the middle, I just don't know what to do with it.
The middle is fine. Hey, can you pick that soap up while you're at it?
Too late.
You got me too?
Somebody's already pulled that trick off me.
Oh no. It's just gonna be
Hey.
Feel free to clear the area before this mother of all goes off.
Hey. That's how you clear out 2 other guys.
Yeah.
Again, I can work on an engine. I can't do interior for some reason.
Where the hell go?
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Hey, that's Xander's old school song.
I wonder what he's saying. Look at it. It's been like that forever.
You hear that? My IQ just dropped. I heard a Honda, I think.
Or a Toyota Camry that is just basically running.
Let's take a little break.
Seats.
Let's take the seats out.
Seats, bruh.
Take out the seats. Bitch, take out the seats.
You don't need to fit.
Take out the seats.
It's America.
Give me that. You messing around with none of them chode screwdrivers?
Which one with them choke screwdrivers?
You think
You
this is
wanna talk
small?
about
This one's
chode.
small.
Don't make me stop this truck.
Because my brakes might go out if I hit them too hard. Believe me, brother, I hit them.
I am too. I ain't going nowhere.
If this was metallic paint, wouldn't that be nice? Metallic black probably would have been nice.
Got an idea.
Would have been out of character.
I'll get some plastic dip to spray on my car. The overspray will look like metallic. Get out of the fucking car. Truck.
And then the bolt's right there. And then the bolt is immediately, very easily accessible, directly under the seat. It's probably easy to unbolt too, isn't it? He had so many veins. And then he just goes, good.
That there's a triangle.
That's a Bermuda.
We learned about
Go in. You don't come back out. It's just like that there, Vietnam.
Oh no, not again.
I wanna take you we take it slow. That's where we wanna go. Way down to Kokomo.
I remember one time.
Mama, come on, pretty mama.
I remember one time we crashed us a Viet Cong camp.
Easy there, Clint Eastwood. It's okay, I can take both out.
We were just wondering. Remember one time we were strolling through the woods and we came across a Viet Cong camp. Now it had been a cold, cold winter, and we didn't know how they were surviving. We barely were, I tell you. Turns out they were eating our men. Entire men being eaten up by these tiny Viet Cong. And I tell you what, they were expecting us, damn it. 1 second, it's dead silent. Next to Viet Cong, still got my brother Bill's leg in his mouth. Comes swinging down out that dang tree.
What was that Viet Cong man saying?
He was saying all kinds of mumbo jumbo. He came down and whack! Smacked my brother Stephen right in the side of the face. Left
his
this
name
tiny
was
little
Bill.
handprint on him. Nah, Bill was in his mouth. He was eating his leg.
Okay.
They were eating him.
I'm going to get this seat out of here
Get
now.
it out now. Get it out.
Hop on in here
What am I
and
stuck
show
on?
you my butt.
Gosh darn it.
I took that out, damn it.
You promised to pay.
Talk to me like that. There's nothing plugged in.
$425 amount finance. What year was this? 2009.
Up, I gotta get in the position. My legs just don't work like they used to. Oh my.
Help! Like a little spider monkey. I jump in and out.
Jeff, I'm all jacked up on mountain. Oh my God, I'm stuck. My throat.
Grandpa, I'm all jacked up on that. Grandpa, I'm gonna scissor kick you in the back of the head. Hey, I come at you like a spider monkey. You got it in you. God, I hate you. That's terrible.
This is so dirty. I literally feel as if I need a gas mask for this.
Why does it smell like WD? Oh.
Watch all the dust that comes out of this shit. Oh, we will die. This is not the proper way to do this.
This is how the rest of the truck was done.
I wouldn't even recommend burning it.
Ready? No, wait, there's a
Hang
bunch
on.
of stuff sitting in it.
Let me get down. What were to do? Alright.
Be free.
Yes,
Duct tape, but it looks like duct tape.
What?
Looks like duct tape, doesn't it? Right here.
This is the life.
Engines. I worked a little bit on paint, but you know what we never really got deep into?
Carpet.
Interior in general, but yeah, carpet.
Carpet.
Carpet. That's important stuff. But yeah, so now we've done paint, we've done full motor, everything.
Yeah, we've done.
Now we're doing the inside of a car.
Yeah, we've done. Heads.
In my basement, and we had a table in front of it with a bunch of model cars on it. We had a room behind it, and that's where we would bring the guests in from. We had that stage light, both lights worked. Super bright. Great lighting in our old setup. And I don't know where the Suburban seat is, but we still have it somewhere.
Somewhere in the
Might be in my-
barn.
might be in my basement.
Probably. You have a basement?
Been in the basement.
Full basement too. Tall ceilings. It's just creepy.
So that's where that one guy went.
Yeah, don't worry about him.
He's gone.
We don't talk about Randy, alright?
He's Xander.
I just realized something. It's a cover. The center cap covers the lug nuts on that Audi. I never noticed that. Now you were saying?
I have to put the center caps on that.
You know how I always tell that a V6 Mustang is a V6 Mustang?
Oh.
The tailpipes.
Shit.
Oh, God, tailpipes.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh my God. You want to see Max interview this kid?
I hate the V6 bumper.
He made this crap out. He goes, just listen to the questions he asks him.
Good God, it's still cut out for the single pipe.
I guess that was pretty good. His name is Max Jeff!
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my.
Look at Max.
Yep, that's Max.
That's me talking.
Yep.
See the old First Gear logo? It's both logos combined.
So you go to Walnut Hills?
Listen.
Yeah. Is it good? Do you like it there? Yeah. How many friends do you have there?
How many friends do you have
A
there?
lot.
Watch Noah's
That's
face.
good. So,
We're so mean to the kid.
have you ever driven a stick shift before?
Poor dude.
Never driven anything before. Well, that's,
It's so freaking cringeworthy.
we're all unfortunate.
It's almost as bad as vehicle versions and Rob Dom.
How do you think you did around your track?
That
was like,
was,
so,
that was so
Porker?
awkward.
Okay, but
here is the
He
money.
crashed my car. Nope.
I have the money to pay for it, but you're paying for it.
Is that me?
I brought you
That is me.
flowers.
Look at it when it used to work. That thing was great. Look at me going. Look at that first corner. Ready? Lock the brakes.
Why are you still watching this?